Okay, well, no, man. I ain't gonna go rinse it then. No, I'm telling you that right now. Let me set this phone up so I can be nosy. I don't know because V is long-winded too. Me, V, and Gabby, baby, we're gonna take it down through there, okay? Girl, shut up. I got 15 bags of ramen. Hush. Thank you. Your little 5 bags is still over there on the shelf. Y'all asked me to do seasoning powder. Now, which one is it? More powder? I don't have a tote. I just said that. I can scoop it out into that tote once we mix it. But I don't have a tote. Then we just go down through that? Or I'm thinking. Why they yelling at me? Not why they yelling at you. Well, quit pissing us off if you want me to yell at. Somebody make sure the mix right in here. I have a great attitude. What are you talking about? I'm always a good time. Woo. That's enough powder play, y'all. Y'all want more? Y'all want some more? More. That's enough. That's enough. Next, please. Okay, next, please. Her. Let me get y'all one more. Hop on. My phone about to pass out. I don't understand the point of this, but y'all got it. Let them dry squeezes be dry. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay. Baby, leave it. All right, bet. Say less. Y'all all right in there? Brad, you got your powder plate. Leave me alone. All right, let's go. That's 4. That's 8. We're gonna do 10 for right now. Let me get some more sponges. Where's my G-boat? She has to be in the motion. In the motion, baby. When the last time y'all seen one of these? A shorty. Shorty got sponges. All right, let's go. And y'all just talking about suds. Man, y'all know good and well this Olo is not about to give no suds. Let's be for real. Let's be for real. Okay, Diddy. You just had, really? Of all the people on this good internet, y'all gonna say, I hate y'all? That is diabolical. Y'all need to keep that energy with these other clean talkers. Y'all got me dead. Child, I should have put this on my little table. My back gonna be toe down. Can y'all see the squeezes? I feel like y'all can't see the squeezes. Let me squeeze over here. Look at this. Snackable. Yes. I can't see y'all comments. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I'm just making sure the squeezes are in frame. Yeah, I hate squeezing in these gloves, but the way Pop be eating me up. Thank you. Thank you, Kat. Y'all, it's Cat and Shaq. Okay? She Cat Williams and I'm Shaq. Alright, let's do some dish soap popping up in the stuff. I'm in my zone. I'm feeling it. Y'all trying to read the comments, but this is my first time trying to do a pool standing up. Usually I'll be sitting down, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. Y'all gonna have to bear with my mom. I hope everybody is enjoying the live. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you to everybody who added. It was it was not mandatory, but y'all popped it anyway. So thank y'all so much. Feel the bass. Y'all want count on top or no? If you finna eat a gummy, say hell yeah. You know what? Hell yeah. And y'all want just straight dish soap on real quick. Is there a heart in the house tonight? Okay, y'all want dish soap on. I got y'all. Stand up. Thank y'all for the gifts. I'm finna take this bad boy out. If not, the pop is gonna eat it up. Okay. Is there a heart in the house tonight? Dang, man, I broke the clip on my other tripod. So y'all, how was y'all? I think I already asked y'all how y'all day was, but I didn't read the comments. Trifling. Trifling as fuck. Anywho, what y'all wearing to the award show?
Alright, let's that.
No, I'm hot. I'll take some water.
Hot.
I am hot. I'm sweating. Oh, you gonna have your capris on? Period. Huh? Per. QC is whooping us on the shoulders, but I just am happy to be nominated. Thank y'all so much. The love is real. Period. That's that big energy. Y'all want me to squeeze or put wintergreen? A jogging suit and Tim's, the way that's gonna get it. Yeah, that's why I said I'm gonna be all black. Suit and the booty, ski mask, okay?